Hi, Richard here with Laundry Equipment Services. Today we're going to talk about drain trough or not. If you have a closed sewer system in your building and you have a 4-inch pipe running along the wall and you try to drain multiple wash machines in it at the same time, it's going to restrict the area. The water's going to fill up from the first machine draining, the second machine comes along, it's trapping water in the machine and can't get out fast enough. This can cause an error on the machine and your machine will go down and you'll have to have a service call to come out to check it out. This would save you money if you had a drain trough in this situation, so you could drain multiple machines. The drain trough has a lot of room for the water to go, and then it slowly filters the water into your main sewer drain. Therefore, your water doesn't allow all the debris to go in the drain as well. So there's another good point to a drain trough.